So setting up your alerts is really, really easy. There's two ways you can do it. You can go to my account, which is in the top right corner, or you can scroll down to how to set up alerts. Click on the colorful words, continue, continue. This is literally walking you through it, but continue, continue. Okay, right here, copy your Conectiv member ID, click back, click Conectiv Alerts, start bot, open, start, get started, English or whatever language you speak, paste in your member ID, enter the email that you use to create your Conectiv account. Okay, so as a team, we're usually picking Forex and crypto, so choose both of those. And then also click on Conectiv. Okay, perfect. Scroll up a little bit. So all 5 options for Forex, click each one and join those channels. And then go back, click the next one, join, click the next one, join, click the next one, join, click the next one, join. Okay, so scroll down a little bit to crypto. Do the exact same thing. Join, click the next one, join, click the next one, join, until you join all of those. Okay, scroll down a little bit more. Click on performance, join. That's the results of every trade we won or lost, stretching back to 2020. Okay, come out of that. If you want to save announcements, events, and whatnot, you can do that too, but that's up to you. That's if you want to get Conectiv tickets. And you're done.